Hey everyone, welcome to unboxing of the Tesla Model 3 key fob. It comes in this box, in this plastic, so just tear it apart. And inside, you can see a gorgeous looking box that you pay a premium price for. So you can see the number 3 on the top, Tesla. There's a little red accents on the opening, tab. So you can see that it's sealed and brand new. And over here you can see the model of the key and information about the device and Model 3 key fob. So this is the latest 2021. It's basically end of the summer, so I like to open this maybe without breaking the seal, but just breaks off, so it doesn't matter. So here is the, let's switch it to the wide lens. You can see a little bit better. So here is the Tesla Model 3 key fob. Ooh, that looks very nice and sleek, as you can see. It's a very interesting design of the box as well. Zoom back in, you can see the key fob, very elegant. It looks like the car. And inside, let me see if we can zoom in without destroying the picture. So you can see there's the steps. Choose the car on the screen, a lock, and then add a key fob. And I know it's not super sharp, so we're going to return to this angle. So you can see the key fob itself could have moved because I've shaken the box, but it looks really elegant. On the side, you can see it looks like the older models with the chrome. So let's take it out of the nice packaging and get the batteries inside as well. So the camera would focus. We'll come back to that in a moment. And here's the Model 3. Fob has a Tesla written on the back, nothing like Model 3. So it is very elegant. You have a little T on the top. Again, a little couple of windows and like a little spoiler, maybe not, but and then you have a little tip where you could put the if the camera would focus, where you could put the little tab or something. So this is supposed to open to put the batteries in. Let me just check the box as well. So this seems to be fixated, so it doesn't, there's nothing underneath. You do get the batteries here, so I'm just gonna pull one out. And it's the CR2032 3-volt battery, so that's the standard CR2032. If you're looking to replace one, so you get 2. And that's it. We'll see how to open this up and put one battery inside. And then I'll go to my car and see if we can link this up to the car. You can see here there's a tab. You can put a little string on it, so you can like use it. There is like a Tesla official like a guard. It looks surrounded like this, and then it has a little ring for the keychain, but they didn't have it on stock, so I ordered one and it's supposed to come. So it turns out you need to just grab inside and then just pull. It's a little stiff, so it won't break. You can see the interior. Also says which batteries you need, and this is the interior part. So you put in again the battery. There we go, matching battery, and put it inside. So squeeze it in. Should fit in easily, I guess. Now the worst thing is I'm afraid of is scratching the plastic. So it's back. Well, it's easier when you put it closer than doing it in front of the camera. Well, that's the key fob. It looks elegant. The only maybe critic is that it's shiny black, so it will get scratched. My advice is to get the guard. I would get it, but I have to still wait for the delivery of it via the mail. But I wish only maybe that they've added a white key with a black roof. That's sort of my car. So let's jump to the car and see how to add this and see it in action. Okay everyone, we're in the car, so another look of the key fob where there's more light. Looks like a silhouette of the car. Actually it's shaped like a car, so I really like it. It's fancy. Tesla, although I think they should have just given it with a car like the S and X. I think the Model 3 and Y owners deserve that. So to link this or pair it to your car, you need the existing key card. And I will go to the screen, so step by step, you choose the car settings, you choose the locks, and you tap the plus sign. Or here you can see you can add your smartphone with the app, or you can add your key card or your key fob. So in order to add it, it says, can your new key behind the cup holder to begin? So this would be this area, so you put it here. Car tells you to tap the existing key card to approve. So you take your existing key card and you put it next to it, and you can see here key fob added. So now I can use my key fob, and the reason I got the key fob is I prefer to have something in my pocket, just an old habit. And another reason besides the old habit why I wanted the key fob is my smartphone key doesn't work always the way it's supposed to. Sometimes as you come to the car, I press the locks and it's locked. So I have to go to my Bluetooth, turn it on and off, and then it registers a key. So it's like out of maybe 6 times out of 10 or 7 times it works, and the other 3 or 4 it doesn't. So it's pretty annoying. So let's test this new key and see how it works and what can we use. Basically it's like this. If you look at the car, you press once to pop the trunk, you press on the top to unlock or lock the car, and you press on the end twice to open the rear cargo space. And I forgot there's an option to also unlock the or lock the charging port, if I'm not mistaken. So now if I want to just open the cargo space, I press twice, opens up, and then I press it twice to lock it again, close it. Now if I want to lock the car, I press once on the top, so double press, that unlocks, and we can press the T twice so we can open the front as well. So that's one of the features I really like. When you just approach the car and you just tap those from your pocket, it just opens up if you're carrying something in another hand. And now something that I prefer now, I can just keep my key fob in my pocket and reach to my car, just come like I was supposed to with my smartphone, and it just unlocks and I can hop inside, get out, and it locks. So there's no Bluetooth working, not working, it just works how it's supposed to. And another thing you can do with a key fob is hold the rear end and open the charging port.